Welcome back to the AI Millionaire movement. In this video, we'll break down how you can start from scratch and create income-generating AI training programs that are in high demand right now. In today's fast-paced digital economy, there's one trend standing out among all others: AI-powered education. The rise of artificial intelligence has opened doors to a new kind of opportunity developing and selling AI-based training programs. Whether you're an entrepreneur, educator, content creator, or simply someone looking to generate online income, building your own AI-driven training platform can be an extremely profitable and scalable side hustle or full-time business. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new AI strategy. Let's start with the why. Why are AI-based training programs becoming so popular? The short answer is personalization, scalability, and automation. Traditional courses are static, everyone gets the same content. But with AI, you can build smart systems that tailor lessons to the user's experience level, learning style, and goals. This gives learners a more engaging experience and helps them retain information more effectively. More importantly, as the demand for upskilling in AI, tech, business, and even soft skills continues to rise, more people are looking for efficient, personalized online education. This is your opportunity to create an AI-powered learning solution that delivers real value and earns you passive income month after month. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Start by identifying your niche. Think about industries where skills are in high demand. This includes AI prompt engineering, data analytics, social media marketing, freelancing with AI tools, productivity and automation, AI in healthcare or law, coding with AI assistance. The more niche your program, the easier it will be to dominate that space with less competition. For example, a training program on using ChatGPT to write copy for Etsy product listings will outperform a generic Learn ChatGPT course. Use tools like Uber Suggest, Answer the Public, or even ChatGPT to research what people are searching for. Look for pain points and create a solution around them. Step 2. Design the curriculum with AI. Gone are the days of spending months writing course outlines and manuals. With tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Course AI, you can design a full curriculum in days or even hours. Here's how. 1. Use ChatGPT to outline the course modules based on your niche. 2. Ask the AI to write video scripts, quiz questions, and even interactive prompts. 3. Refine the content using your expertise or by hiring an editor on Upwork or Fiverr. If you want to go even further, you can integrate adaptive learning algorithms using tools like LearnDash, Teachable, or Thinkific with AI plugins that adjust difficulty based on student performance. Step 3. Add AI-powered interactivity to stand out from the crowd. Make your program interactive with real-time AI support. For instance, integrate AI chatbots that answer questions based on your course content. Speech recognition tools for language courses or public speaking. Progress analytics that suggest review materials or skip topics based on mastery. You don't need to be a coder. Tools like Tidio, ManyChat, or BotPress allow you to set up conversational flows with AI features. This gives your students a personalized tutor 24/7 and you don't have to lift a finger once it's set up. Step 4. Choose your monetization model. Now that you have your AI-based training program, let's talk about making money. There are multiple ways to monetize. Course sales. Sell your course on platforms like Teachable, Podia, or Kajabi. Subscription model. Offer ongoing training with new content monthly. Corporate licensing. Sell your program to businesses that want to train their staff. Affiliate model. Promote related tools and platforms inside your course and earn commissions. Upsell services. Offer one-on-one coaching, templates, or certification programs as premium upgrades. You can even use ChatGPT to write sales emails, landing page copy, and social media content to promote your program. Automate the entire marketing process with tools like Zapier, MailChimp, or ConvertKit. Step 5. Market with AI. Marketing is where most people fail, but AI makes this easier than ever. Start by identifying your target audience. Use AI tools to create SEO-optimized blog content with tools like Surfer SEO. AI-generated video scripts using ChatGPT. Social media posts and carousels with Copy.ai or Jasper. Email funnels written and automated through Flowrite or MailChimp. AI. Run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, using AI to A/B test your creatives and optimize for conversions. Don't forget to collect testimonials and data to improve your course. AI analytics can show you where students drop off, what they skip, and how to enhance engagement over time. Step 6. Scale with automation. Once you've validated your first course and it's generating income, scale it. Create new modules, expand into related niches, or localize the course into different languages using AI translation tools like DeepL or Google Translate with GPT-4 proofreading. You can even hire virtual assistants or better yet AI agents to run support and respond to customer service tickets. Set up an automated system so your course becomes a self-running asset that earns you money 24/7. With the right niche, powerful AI tools, and smart marketing, you can launch your own training platform in a matter of weeks and start generating income faster than ever before. Thanks for watching AI Millionaire Movement. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting us know what type of AI training program you're thinking about creating. Stay smart, stay automated, and keep building your AI empire.